Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It is truly joyous to reflect on the 10-year journey of the GQMC. From a thought 10 years ago to its current reality. In the past decade, we at the online Global Quran Memorization Center, the GQMC, have witnessed the successful graduation of 357 licensed Huffadh, which means guardians of the Quran. Furthermore, 48 of them have completed our prestigious Ijaazah program, qualifying them to become fully qualified Quran teachers in the GQMC itself, as well as elsewhere. Their graduation remains a testament to the high quality of education and the transformative power of the Quran in their lives. The total number of students who enrolled in this period of 10 years was more than 2,800. Alhamdulillah. When I launched the GQMC in May 2013, along with Shaykh Wissam, we did so with a single course, the Quran Group Memorization course. However, today, I am delighted to inform you, we now have 6 different types of courses, each designed to cater to specific learning needs. Whether you are a beginner seeking to understand the basics of tajweed, or an advanced learner aiming for Ijaazah certification, the GQMC has a course tailored just for you. One of the secrets behind the success of the GQMC is the step-by-step linking of its programs. The curriculum gives students a fully integrated, structured program, which enables them to embark on a comprehensive Quranic journey. They can start with learning the fundamentals of tajweed, classical Quranic Arabic pronunciation. Then they can gradually progress to a higher level, known as tajweed intensive, while participating in our various tahfidh programs for Quranic memorization, like the 1 ayah a day program, or the group memorization program, or the one-on-one individual memorization program. And for those who aspire to become teachers of the Quran, our prestigious Ijaazah program provides the path to fulfilling that dream. But what truly sets the GQMC apart is our commitment to providing affordable rates for our various courses, making this transformative journey accessible to all. We believe that every individual should have the opportunity to connect deeply with the Quran and benefit from its timeless wisdom. So, my dear brothers and sisters, I extend a heartfelt invitation to join us at the GQMC. Let the Quran be your guide, and let us be your companions on this divinely ordained journey. Together, we can unlock the doors to endless blessings and enlightenment that structured Quranic study offers. Visit our website today, enroll in one or more of its courses, and experience the profound joy of connecting with the Quran like never before. Let the GQMC at IOU be the platform that propels you towards a lifelong relationship with the divine words of Allah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you abundantly on your journey, and may the Quran illuminate your hearts, your souls, and your minds. Join us at the GQMC today, where the love for the Quran is transformed into a lifelong journey. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.